What's up guys, Take here back with another video. Today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S8 and I'm so excited to unbox this phone. This phone was released 2 years ago with the S8 Plus, and obviously I've picked up the S8 and obviously this phone is a 2-year-old phone. I believe that this phone still runs smoothly. It has 4 gigs of RAM. It starts with the base of 64 gigabytes of storage. Obviously it is expandable with a micro SD card. You might be asking if it is worth it to purchase one today, or should you get the new versions like the S9, S9 Plus, or S10, S10 Plus, or the budget version just like the iPhone XR, the S10e. Now obviously these phones are expensive, or you could just pick up an older version for a few $100s less. By the way guys, I have a link down in the description which will redirect you to the specs of this phone. So let's do the unboxing of it. Simply lift up this cardboard, and the first thing that you will see is the Samsung logo right here on every phone that they released. Let's open the box, and wow, look at this phone. Really great packaging, I'll say. We've got the phone itself. It's so thin. Wow, feels good. We got the Touch ID right here, obviously beside the camera. Not a lot of people like this version because they keep touching the camera instead of the Touch ID. Unfortunately on the S8 there's only one camera compared to the S10. Inside the box you will have a package, which in the back will have the SIM tray removal tool, and we got paperwork inside obviously. Other than that, in the box you will have a USB connector to USB-C, so you can connect this to your phone. And then we've got a USB-C to micro USB, and obviously a fast charging adapter. And finally in the box you will have the USB charger and some earbuds. We got the phone right here. Simply remove the plastic with that satisfying sound. So let's power up the phone and let's see if there's some juice inside it. And yes, Samsung Galaxy S8 powered by Android. There's some juice inside. And once again, this is not an LCD, it is an OLED. That's what it said on their website. Now we got the menu right here, and as you can see we've got a big 5.8 inch screen right here. It feels great. It's an amazing phone, and obviously it doesn't have buttons on the bottom. If you're comparing to the Samsung Galaxy A5, on the bottom usually you'll have buttons on the bottom right and the bottom left, but on this phone, the Samsung Galaxy S8, it's gonna be directly on the screen. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This was an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S8. I'll have a link down in the description which will redirect you to the specs of this phone, and obviously to purchase one for yourself on Amazon. And obviously you can purchase this phone as used from a third-party seller or something like that, which will cost way cheaper than the retail price. So I hope you guys are watching this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up to this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Let's see a bit.